Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add a folder or file to Start. So you can star your items so that you can access them quickly, so that you don't have to go inside your folder and search for them, but rather you can just go on your Start items and see your file. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am inside my Google Drive. So let's say if I want to add this file to Start, then I have to right click on it, left click on Add to Start. Now one file added to Start. So let's check. I will have to left click on Start, and now I can see that this file is now at Start. So I can just simply if this file was inside some folder, now I can just simply go to Start and just simply open it. So it is loading. So this is how you can store your files in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to add a file or folder to Start in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.